think I'm on voicemail.
No, stop.
No, this is so cool.
No, we got to. We're getting hot. No.
Did you see that? Oh my God, look. They're so close. Oh my God. They're so close.
Leave us. Throw it really far out there.
You're such geeks. I'm videotaping this. I don't care. It's cool.
Okay, you get one more, okay?
Hold on. Oh.
No, you. Oh.
I'm still videotaping. They're still like abnormally close. Ah! You squeezed me.
Scary.
Oh my God, they're so close.
For the birds. We're not feeding them. We're not feeding them.
This is so funny.
No way.
If you guys could see how close this is, it's crazy.
Put this on your mic. Please.
I will.
Look at them all. It's like a crazy fiasco. 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 Look down. Hello. They're getting all the food off the floor. It all fell. The ones I didn't catch.
Look at their vultures.
I think Megan and Ashley are done. I want to go to.
Oh yeah, Megan and Ashley are on their way to parasail right now. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, you know.
I'm talking to the video camera.
Oh.
You're like, I know. Okay, I'm done videotaping them. Okay, you guys.
I want to see it.
Okay, you have to videotape me now.
There's Juliana. There's the ocean.
You didn't even videotape me. You were like, here's Juliana.
And there's the ocean. And down there is Megan and Ashley somewhere. Zoom.
They're going parasail. Look at the birds. Look at the birds.
I got them.
There's like a million of them.
Millions of birds.
Okay, this is our view from the room. This is our view from the room. Aw, how pretty. So pretty. Aww. And then there is Ashley and Megan's. I can't
There's
zoom
where
in.
we spent all of our spring break.
We spent our whole entire spring break down there.
Circle.
Down there. Now we have to leave for spring break today, but that's, ooh, cute boy.
Where?
Right there. You can't see him. He's in the towel. But he's so
hot.
shoes
Zoom
away.
in, zoom in.
I can't. It won't let me zoom in.
Zoom. Please wave to the cute boy.
Very cute boy.
Cute boy. Cute boy, look at birdies. Look at all the birdies. They're finally finding our Pop-Tarts, probably.
A Pop-Tart?
Yeah, we threw Pop-Tarts yesterday.
Oh, you
How
did?
old that bird is.
What?
There, that bird
What about it?
looks old.
Looks old?
Cute boy. Cute
Bird, bird.
bird. Dive, dive. We hate you now. Feed us more.
And we got a green flag today.
Finally.
Seriously.
Birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie. Birdie.